Hello students, welcome you all for mathematics class. In last class we discussed about the basics of inverse trigonometric functions. In this class we will discuss about the actual syllabus of the inverse trigonometric function. That is, discuss about the restriction on domain and ranges of trigonometric function which ensure the existence of their inverse and observe their behavior through graphical representation. Invertible function. Invertible function means a function f mapping from a to b is invertible if and only if it is a bisective. Bisective means 1 1 and onto function. If the function is bisective, then only inverse exists. We know that all trigonometric functions are not 1 1 and onto over their natural domain and ranges. Trigonometric functions are not bisective functions over their natural domain and ranges. In order to define the inverse function, we have to restrict the domain of the original functions to an interval where they are invertible. Trigonometric functions are not bisective functions over their natural domain and ranges. Invertible function ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Restrict the domain of the original functions to an interval where they are invertible. So ಯಾವ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So restrict the domain value. In first year you already studied about the graphical representation of the trigonometric functions. So here y is equal to sin x. This is the graphical representation of the sine function. Domain of the sine function is all real number and the range of the sine function is a closed interval -1 to 1. Here domain value is plotted on the x-axis whereas the range value is on the y-axis. On the x-axis domain values 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi and so on. In the same way in negative axis minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. And the range values on the y-axis 1, minus 1. So using the sine angle, sine 0 value is a 0, sine pi by 2 value, sine 90 degree value is a 1, sine pi value is a 0, sine 3 pi by 2 value is a -1, sine 2 pi value is also 0, and the sine minus pi by 2 value is a -1, sine minus pi value is 0, sine minus 3 pi by 2 value is 1, and the sine minus 2 pi value is a 0. This is the graphical representation of the sine function. But sine function is not bisective function over the natural domain and ranges. So in order to define the inverse, we have to restrict the domain value. So how to restrict the domain value is very important. So restrict the domain values using 1-1 test or horizontal test. So function bisective agaka. Bisective function means 1-1 and onto functions. So test for 1-1 functions, that is horizontal line test. If the horizontal line pass through more than one point on the graph of the function, it is not invertible function. If the horizontal line passes through more than one point on the graph of the function, it is not invertible function. So when we restrict the domain value, so here we restrict the domain value from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is the graph. So when we restrict the domain value from minus pi by 2 to the pi by 2. So here apply the horizontal line test. The horizontal line passes through only one point on the graph of the function. It is invertible function. Therefore, sine function restricted to interval, closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So not only restricted in the interval, closed interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2. In the interval, closed interval minus 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 2, or in the interval plus pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. So in the interval minus 3 pi by 2, pi by 2, the function is invertible. And in the interval pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, so again horizontal line test. The line passes through only one point on the graph. The inverse exists. Therefore, sine function restricted to any of the interval, closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, closed interval minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi by 2, or closed interval pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Inverse function. Inverse of trigonometric function means changing the domain and range of the trigonometric function. In sine function, domain value is all real number and range value is a closed interval minus 1 to 1. So in inverse function, changing the domain and range value. So here domain value is a closed interval minus 1 to 1 and the range value is all real number. So we restrict the domain values in sine function from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this is the graph, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, including minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 values. So this is the graphical representation of the sine inverse function. Here the sine inverse function is a invertible, and in the interval closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. The branch with the range value closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is called the principal value branch. In sine function, so we select the interval closed interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So here domain value and range value is, in sine function domain value is all real numbers, but when the function is bisective, so here domain value is a closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, range value is a closed interval minus 1 to 1. In inverse trigonometry, changing the domain and range value. So domain value is a closed interval minus 1 to 1 and the range value is a closed interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So observe this, y is equal to sin x and y is equal to sin inverse x. Domain of the sine function. Domain of the sine function is a closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So sine function bisective iddaga domain value of the sine function is a closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 and the range of the sine function is closed interval minus 1 to 1. And in y equal to sin inverse x, domain of the sin inverse x is a, so changing the domain and range value of the trigonometric function. Domain is closed interval minus 1 to 1 and the range value is a closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So then we write the function. So here function f is mapping from A to B. So A means domain value, B means range value. So we write sine function. Sine is a mapping from closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to range value minus 1 to 1. In the same way, inverse function, sine inverse is a mapping from closed interval minus 1 to 1 to the closed interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2. So then definition of the inverse of sine function. Inverse of sine function, sine inverse x, x means angle. The function f mapping from closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to the closed interval minus 1 to 1, defined by f of x equal to sine x is a bisective function. In this domain and range value, sine function is a bisective. Then f inverse is mapping from changing the domain and range values. Closed interval minus 1 to 1 to the closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is also bisective function. So you already know that the function is bisective, then inverse function is also bisective function. This function is called inverse of sine function and it is denoted as a sine inverse. From the definition of inverse function, first note, sine of sine inverse x equal to x, where x lies between minus 1 to 1. So here slack inequality. Slack inequality means including endpoints of minus 1 and or closed interval minus 1 to 1. This is the range of the sine function. And second note, sine inverse of sine x is also x, where x lies between minus pi by 2 to the pi by 2. So closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So it is the range of the sine inverse function. So this is the definition and graphical representation of the inverse of sine function. In next class we will discuss about the inverse of cos function. Thank you.